Hello all, I am Siddharth Kaul and I welcome you to Edupedia world. In this tutorial, we are going to see how we can model an equation in Simulink. In this tutorial, we are going to model a linear equation that converts the temperature in degree Celsius to degree Fahrenheit. So we all know the equation for the same is temperature in degree Fahrenheit is equal to 9 by 5 times temperature in degree Celsius plus a constant number of 32. So now let's see how we can model this in Simulink. So I'm going to open a new model. So a new untitled window opens. So first I'm going to write a comment, modeling a simple equation. I'm going to change the font size. Commenting in model is quite helpful sometimes. It lets you know which model you are opening, which subatomic system you are, and all that. I'm going to make a size 20. Now first let's import all the components that we are going to require. So I'm going to the library browser. So a Simulink library browser window opens, and then I'm going to search for first a ramp. I'm going to add this ramp from the Simulink library to our model. Then again we require a gain. I'm going to take this gain from the Simulink model and add to our untitled model. Then we are going to take a constant. Again from the Simulink library I'm going to take the constant and add it to our model. And then I'm going to take a summation block. And I'm going to add this, and at last I'm going to add the scope. So now I have imported all components into our model. So I'm going to arrange them, and now I'm going to connect them. For connecting, again we can click and drag. Again we click and drag. Click and drag and click and drag. Now we are going to change some parameters of this block. So first what I'm going to do, I'm going to change the gain from 1 to 9 by 5. So 9 divided by 5. I'm going to click OK. Similarly, I'm going to change this constant to 32. I'm going to make the slope as 1, and our simulation is ready. I'm going to go to configuration parameters. I'm going to select variable step, ODE 45, start time as 0 and stop time as 10. I'm going to click OK. Now before starting the simulation, let's understand what I just did here. So this ramp is going to be our input, that will be the temperature in degrees Celsius. That will be multiplied by 9 by 5, and then it will be added by a constant of 32. The final answer of this addition will give us the temperature in degree Fahrenheit. So this ramp is temperature in degree Celsius and this output is temperature in degree Fahrenheit. So let's play the simulation. And let's see our graph. So as this is a linear function, we expect a linear graph. We are going to do auto scale. So as you can see, you get a straight yellow line from 0 to 10. So the 0 degree so the x-axis represents the temperature in degree Celsius and the y-axis represents the temperature in degree Fahrenheit. The 0 degree in the x-axis is the temperature in degree Celsius, that is equivalent to 32 degrees in degree Fahrenheit. Similarly, we can map each degrees on the degree Celsius in x-axis and we can get the corresponding degree Fahrenheit in the y-axis. This is how simple it is to model an equation in Simulink. This concludes a short tutorial on how to model an equation. In the next tutorial, we are going to see how we can model a little complex dynamic system in Simulink. So until then, please subscribe and thanks for watching.